In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Odoo using an email template. We'll walk through the process inside the Sales app, and I'll show you how to quickly review the email before sending it so everything looks correct and professional. To begin, open Odoo and go to the Sales app. This is where your quotations and sales orders are managed, and it's also where you can send order-related emails directly to customers using built-in templates. Using a template helps save time and keeps your communication consistent, especially when you're sending similar messages on a regular basis. Once you're in the Sales app, click Orders and open the sales order that you want to email. Make sure you've selected the correct order before continuing, since the email content and attached PDF will be based on the record you open. At the top of the sales order, click the Send button. Odoo will then open the Send email window for that order. One of the helpful things here is that Odoo automatically loads the email content using the default email template linked to the sales order. That means the subject line, message body, and relevant document are usually prepared for you in advance, which makes the process much faster. Next, look at the To field. Add the recipient's email address if it isn't already there, or confirm that the existing address is correct. This is an important step, because even if the template is perfect, the message still needs to go to the right person. After that, review the subject field and the email message itself. Read through both carefully and make any edits if necessary. You may want to adjust the wording slightly for a specific customer, fix any formatting, or make sure the message matches the purpose of the order you're sending. Even when using a template, it's always a good idea to do a quick final review before sending. Then, check the attached order PDF at the bottom of the window. This attachment is typically the document your customer will need, so make sure it's present and appears to match the order you intend to send. Verifying the attachment helps avoid confusion and prevent sending incomplete information. Once everything looks good, click Send to send the email to the customer. Odoo will deliver the message using the template and include the attached order PDF automatically. And that's it. That's how to send an email from Odoo using an email template. Thanks for watching.